Hi everyone, Magpie back with the biggest video of the year in my opinion so far. I know I've had some brilliant reviews personal reviews over the last year. For example, Case F, massive. Light and Sounds McQueen. Hopefully that one would have been out before this, massive. But this tops it all because I didn't think that I would actually be able to get this. Yes, it is time to crack open and have a look at the one and only Golden Lightning McQueen. Oh, I cannot wait for this, guys. So basically, if you don't know this already, at the time of recording, these are only available in Canada. I believe, and I may be wrong here, but I believe that these are only being available in the Toys R Us in Canada. Obviously, Toys R Us has these in Canada. I don't know why Canada's allowed Toys R Us and we're honestly not. But anyway, so they're only available in Canada as far as I'm aware. Now, I went to Toy Town yesterday when I'm recording this video. If you saw that hunt video, great. Again, please check out Piston Cup Productions. I know I've been saying it a lot, but he is class. And I found there was these like signs, and it was like, if you spend £12 on die-cast cars, or anything in cars in general actually, you get a free Golden Lightning McQueen. And I instantly freaked out. I was like, this cannot be happening. And the staff at Toy Town are absolutely amazing. Really supportive of what I do for YouTube. They're always letting us go and film. They're selling the reserve stock if I need it. For example, the highly anticipated Lightning, Cruising Lightning and Sally 2-pack. They've said that they'll reserve it for us. When it comes in, they'll put it behind the counter. I go pay for it later. So they're absolute legends. And they had this. So basically what they said was, like, on the signs, is like I have to spend £12 on cars in order to redeem the Lightning McQueen. And the selection honestly wasn't great. I think that the main reason why they're doing this, similar to the Smith's 3 for 2 deal, is to essentially get rid of stock, basically. So as part of that, I did actually end up picking up 2 diecast. And I do want to do a quick little kind of story time and review of these. So if you're not interested, I won't feel offended if you want to go skip ahead in the video to get the Golden Lightning McQueen. This shouldn't take too long. But anyway, so as part of the deck of the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen from 2017, and I've always wanted something like this to keep in the packaging, the classic kind of original Cars 3 artwork with the Cars 3 Lightning. And on the back here you have some cars which were available back in the day. Blindsided by a new generation of Piston Cup racers, Lightning McQueen finds himself suddenly pushed out of the sport he loves. To get back on top, he will need the help of a young race technician, Cruz, inspiration from the late fabulous Hudson Hornet, and guidance from a few old friends, such as Smokey, along the way. So back in the day, when this car first came out in 2017 here, you could get Natalie Certain, Smokey Brick, Brooke Bearingly, Reb Mika and Carl Weathers. This is a selection of the few. And this was made in China. And now recently I unboxed and reviewed the 2021 version of this guy with the Piston Cup. So I thought, why not just do a little Thailand versus China quick little review here to see what, if anything, is different. I'm not going to get him out of the package or anything, it's going to stay in there. But obviously the eyes are going to be different. The mouth looks pretty similar, actually. And apart from that, it honestly doesn't look too different. Apart from the fact that this little part here where the bumper is a lot more standout. Let's have a look. That looks a little bit darker on the flames, like up here look a little bit darker. And the sponsors are a lot clearer on the Chinese one. Aye. So he stays in the packet because he is going to stay in the packet. And then we have got the 2020 Jackson Storm Blue Desert from the Copper Canyon series, and I love that little cactus. Unfortunately, the blister is a little bit cracked up here. I didn't actually realise that until I bought it, but again, this guy's going to stay in the packet. Jackson Storm was actually the first Cars 3 diecast I think I got back in 2017. This is the Thailand version, and this is the original Chinese version. So again, a quick little review here. I'll say there's actually any differences at all. Eyes is a bit different. It's honestly kind of hard to tell when they're both like just pure black. So look at the side. The blue actually looks a lot more lighter, especially on the Igniter logo down here. Looks a lot more lighter on the Chinese version. Alright, so again, just another one to keep in the packet here. And the main reason why I got them is to get to the main attraction. So thanks if you sat through that. No worries if you didn't. It's time to go on to the review of Golden Lightning McQueen. Now, yeah, this is incredible. I never thought I'd actually be able to find this thing. So, here's metal. And it says there, if you look at that, it says Golden Edition. Edition Special Edition Dorada. Basically, it's a golden edition, and it's nice how they have the piston cup actually like in the background there. Now, the one thing that I will say is that I do love this kind of yellowy background going into like a bit of an orangey red down there, but I don't get why they didn't actually make the card art itself gold. I don't know if it would simply blend into the back too much, but then again, if you look at the likes of this stuff, they had Carl Weathers on blue. They had a lot of blue on blue, but, you know, it's Mattel. They've done the same with the silver racers. Luckily, they haven't done the same with the red racers, but, you know. And there it is, Golden Lightning McQueen with this nice little golden stripe along the bottom there. Oh, yeah, this is going to be good. Now, if you do have a look at the back, it's got, see, this is the stock image. Obviously, the stock image is going to be gold. And it doesn't actually have that much of an effect on the yellow background. So, honestly, I don't really know. But do I really care? Not really, because it's what's inside that I'm here for. And it does say there, Cars, Golden Lightning McQueen. All the Mattel's usual information. Yeah. Right. This is going to be a very, very careful opening here, because this is going to be amazing, and I want to try and get this in as good. I mean, none of the packaging itself, like the actual, the card art's nice, don't get us wrong, but I wish that I did have a little bit golden. But the rest of the packaging I wanted to try and keep, and that is a very nice clean opening there, Magpie. I might actually stick that up here. If we just quickly tilt the tripod up here, I do have the Pixar Fest version for when I ended up getting Pixar Fest Lightning McQueen. Because obviously we couldn't get them over here because we don't have Target, so I ordered it and it came in the post. Right, okay, he's already fell out the blister, so may as well get this over with. Here he is. I'm trying to be very careful with it. Ah, look at it, it's a beautiful car. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm really scared the lighting's not good enough. It'll be fine. So, my god, it's beautiful. Okay, let's just zoom in a little bit more. So this is a version of Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Obviously, the Rusty's version of him. Oh man. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Can I get the lighting on a little bit better? Is that better? That's better. That's perfect. Right. Here he is. He looks honestly incredible. Absolutely stunning. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm kind of lost for words here. I actually never thought that I'd ever find this. Shaking again. Oh my god, I'm actually shaking. Right. So this is the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. And we have the normal, this is the 2021 version from Thailand. So we are going to compare the two. Right. Okay, so the expression looks the same, which honestly is fine. Not too fussed about that. The headlights look a little bit dull on the golden one, but again, do I care? Not really. Nice reflective, you can see like my phone case there, bit of the tripod. So yeah, they do both have the same Rustys logo on them. What I will say that the lightning bolts really, really pop. Oh god. They really pop on there. They look really like crisp and clean and just nice. Really nice. I'll have a look at the side here. So the continuity sponsors, actually, I'm going to give them credit. They actually look pretty good. They're not clear, but they're better than this version on the top. So the wheels, obviously the red's gold, but they have kept the yellow trimming. The light texture on the outside. Got the lightning bolt, 95, the big bold rusty text there. Ooh, I like it. This is incredible. Oh yes. Got the nice Rusty's logo at the back there, the number 95. Got like almost like chrome on the back here instead of the grey. Oh, that's a really nice touch. Really like that. Yeah, that's the same. And then if we look at them from the top here. The Lightning McQueen signature. Ooh, yeah. The signature's in red. Red on gold. That looks amazing. Normally it's like yellow on red. I like that. I really like that. So you've got the golden window bars there instead of the red ones. 95 window flaps are still the same. Then the spoilers look to be the same as well. Although this actually looks like it's higher up. It looks like a bit of like a gap, like in between like the text and the actual top of the spoiler. Whereas here it isn't. This is, I can't believe it. This is something that I've like wanted and honestly never thought that I was ever going to get. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Now we do have some other kind of like special quote unquote Lightning McQueens to compare them to. I don't have any other golden cards at all. This is the first one ever. But we do have the silver Lightning McQueen from last year. So we can just have a look at the reflection, I guess. Obviously this one's a lot more reflective, the gold one. Kind of interesting to see like how lightning's changed as well. We did go through this whole in my Carl's favourite queen with the piston cup unboxing video. If you like want to see what that looks like, check her out. I'll leave the playlist in the description below. Yeah, so Mattel did a good job when it comes to these like special cards. The red Lightning McQueen looks pretty cool. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on that. That's going to be a good one. And then obviously we do have the Pixar Fest Lightning McQueen, which is also the kind of like metallic-y with the same kind of reflection actually as what the golden guy does. Again, this is the Cards 1 version. Obviously there's like a lot more reflection on like the chrome on this one. But yeah, I really just wanted to show like, you know, like a chrome reflective one and a silver special one. And honestly, this is incredible. I still can't believe I've actually gotten this thing. It's like, I can't believe it. A massive, massive, massive shout out to Toy Town in the Gallery Shopping Centre, Washington, North East England for getting this in. I really appreciate everything I can do to help support my channel and support me as a collector. Ooh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, I like it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have done, please make sure to leave a like. If you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe. It's free. You get this kind of stuff a lot if you subscribe to the channel. Making me waffling on a little bit about cars, but you know, that's what we're here for. We're a community. We like the same kind of thing. We love the franchise. And this is an example of a complete beautiful car. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!